Alright guys, welcome back to Auto Rebuild's Garage. Today we got something really cool. You don't see these kind of cars every day. It's a 1934 Plymouth. Check this thing out, guys. Look at that motor. Look at that blower. Holy moly, look at that belt. This thing is insane. Comment down below if you know what kind of engine is in here, what kind of blower that is, how much horsepower you guys think this car was pushing. It ain't pushing it no more until it gets fixed again. So let us know on the comments down below. Check the damages right now. So this was a mirror. Looks like the door is fiberglass. That's pretty interesting. Body, maybe this whole thing's fiberglass. I'm not sure. Rear tire might have got damaged. Free axle. Yeah, this whole body I think is fiberglass. That's crazy. So it must be some sort of a kit car. And look at those rear wheels.
Hey, put your hand up. Yeah.
This thing is crazy. Check out the rear axle. So obviously it's a shortened axle. Like look at that. That's a custom, straight up custom axle. They literally just brought this in when we got here. So I mean, this is pretty cool. I mean, we're super excited to see this, and hopefully you guys are excited too. Let's take a look at the interior. Like, check that thing out, guys. So let's keep looking. So obviously the front end got smashed. This is part of the frame. It's bent up. We got some suspension damage down here. It looks like there's some coolant. This looks like some kind of a grill. The radiator, the fans are damaged. It's got disc brakes. The motor, we don't know what's going on with the motor. The motor, I'm guessing it's fine, but hard to tell. I mean, look at that belt though. Holy moly, that is a, look at that engine. We don't mess around with too many old cars, so I don't even have any idea on what kind of motor this is. It's got a lot of chrome on it. Like, look at those, like big old carbs. Like, this thing is insane. It looks like it might have hit a deer. Looks like there's some deer poop on the side. So maybe a deer caused all this trouble. And yeah, there's what's left of the headlight. Man, this thing is cool.
Don't you have one of these?
Yeah, that's a old school fire extinguisher, but I'm guessing they're using it as a overflow tank, I think, for their radiator. An old fire extinguisher. If you guys are interested in this car, like we do with every other car, we do show you guys the stock numbers. That way it's easier for you guys to find these cars. We're gonna show you the stock number right now. Go check it out, search it up. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This car, freaking nice. We like it. I hope you guys like it. Maybe we'll buy it. I doubt it though. We probably don't have this much money to spend on a car, and who knows what this thing is worth. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, comment down below what else you guys want to see. If there's a specific car you guys want to see, if there's enough of you guys commenting down below, we'll make a dedicated video just for you guys. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.